What's going on, gardeners? In today's video I'm going to share with you how you can store your bulbs that you bought for spring planting until you can actually plant them. So here I have some lily bulbs, some toad lily bulbs, or also called trichurtises, and canna lily bulbs. So these have already sprouted. I bought these at Walmart. What you need to do, because I can't really plant these until you're close to your last frost date, which is in 2 more months approximately, what you will do is just store them in a somewhat dry-ish medium. So what I did is I layered the bottom, like the bedding part, of dried leaves in these 2 larger containers, and then what I did is added some dry peat moss, and then I moistened it, and then I put all the lily bulbs inside there and lightly covered them, not too deep. Of course, you can tell there are sprouts still coming up as those have sprouted, and even the toad lily has sprouted too, along with the cannas. So as long as you do that, and then you keep them in like an unheated garage, keep them around 40 to 45 degrees if possible, so that they kind of stay dormant and they don't start growing on you, because that's kind of the last thing you want right now. I mean, if they grow a little bit, that's fine. And then all you need to do is just keep an eye out. If it dries out too much, or they start looking like they're gonna get dried out, go ahead and add some moisture, go ahead and add some water. You don't need to fertilize these at all until you plant them. And that is really all you have to do to store your spring garden bulbs. So I hope you liked this video, got something out of it. I will be doing updates on bulbs and plants and seeds and etc. Everything about gardening. So if you want to see more of that, please go ahead and subscribe. And until then, happy growing, and see you in the next video.